You hear that? So let it go. Hear the music?
One of our favorite songs?
Yeah, from Frozen.
Did you see that Frozen spoof that my mom posted on Facebook?
Is it?
It's making fun of the Can't Be a Snowman song.
Okay. I'll go on Facebook. Put your shoes on. Book it out of here when it's done. What time is it?
I don't know. 10:13.
Oh fuck, they're already almost over. Damn, that went by fast. Be the one lighting them things.
Oh, that'd be so much fun. Until you blow your hand off or something, but it would be fun until then.
I think that's why firefighters and shit.
I thought about that earlier. I was thinking it'd be so much fun to do it. Look how smoky it is over there. There's a fire over there.
Oh, there is.
Yep.
Oh, fuck. They're ready as dry as all hell right now. Remember on the side the freeway was on fire last
Oh, yeah. That's a good sized one over there, too, it looks like.
Oh, that fire is getting crazy.
Yeah.
Where's the firefighters at? Oh, that fire's going real well. Look at them, they're all looking to come out of here. Oh, damn, look at that fire, dude. Are they gonna... Do they know it's over there?
Yeah, they've got... Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm sure they are, yeah.
Because it looks like it's going to...
There's...
The firefighters probably love
There's
it.
a
They're
few
all
thousand
finally
people that are
gonna put
looking in
some
that
out.
direction. I'm sure somebody went over there.
See a lot of black smoke too. That means they're
Yeah. Yep, there's a fire truck right there going towards it. Right over there. Trying to get through it.
Well, they might start the Grand Alley because we're catching on fire over there.
If it was dangerous,
I don't know if they can stop the fireworks if they're going. I don't know if because it's all.
It's a bad fire.
How though? It's all fused. Yeah. It's all in time fuses. Sucker's raging though, it looks like.
Wow, that fire's going pretty good. I want to go see the fire. Oh, it's all timed, the fuse and shit?
I'm pretty
I
sure-
thought they just lit it.
No, it's good. I think it would be too dangerous otherwise. 'Cause think about how all the debris that's falling.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
why don't they take place right now?
Oh, another fire truck.
Looks like they're getting it out already.
Yeah.
I don't know why they didn't keep the fire trucks over there. That's where all the,
There was
Yeah.
one and then over here last time I caught it on fire, and then the whole
Oh yeah,
side was
yeah.
on
Over
fire.
here was bad. In fact, there's still debris over there from last fire last year. Yeah.
All on the
Because when I
side
drove by here the other day, I looked over there and still you can see where they pushed it up. Oh, it is smoky.
The fire doesn't help either.
No.
Don't reach.
They couldn't pick a better place to do it though, because you know we got water all around us right here.
That's true.
I heard they used to do it at the lake, at Shasta Dam.
Well, it can't anymore.
Yeah,
Bomb threats. Let's do a bomb threat.
yeah.
She likes it. She's sleeping. Here we go, Charlotte. Boom, there goes another fire.